So with us today is Mr. Michael Galvin, the new site manager at Ganondagan State Historic Site. Michael, what are we doing here today?
Well, today, first of all, it's I Love My Park Day, which is a day of volunteerism, and people come to the different parks and historic sites all over New York State, and they put in some time to help improve and beautify and just help out the site. So here at Ganondagan, when we do this, we're kind of doing the same thing that Senecas did when they lived here in the town 350 years ago. We're prepping the garden for our corn, beans, and squash, and other vegetables too, but we're kind of like preparing the mounds, and so we're removing the any of the roots from plants we don't want in the mound, and getting them ready. And we're doing it by hand, just like people did long ago. Seems to be working pretty well. It's a beautiful day out, and we've got lots of great help today, and all that good spirit and good mind and everything goes into the food. It's not just about growing good food, it's the spirit of how it's grown and all the energy and good thoughts that people have and camaraderie around it that goes into the food. That's our philosophy anyways, and so that's what we're doing.